Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram Explore page. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram mobile application. So basically this kind of interface you will see, and below down you can see that search. So you have to click over that. So this is the Explore page. So here there will be so many content or many of the posts that you don't want to see. So how you can reset this? So basically there is not one click or one switch that you can just reset your Explore page. You have to just go to some of the post. Okay, for example this one, if this post I don't want to see in the future, so you have to just click on the three dots which is on right side on the top, and you have to click not interested, and after that this post will be go away, and this way this will send a message to the algorithm of the Instagram. In this way there will be no similar post that you will see in the future. So this is how you can reset your Instagram Explore page. So I hope you found this video really helpful. If this did, then do follow our page. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.